Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add and edit titles in Davinci Resolve. This is essential for creating professional-looking videos with custom text overlays, whether you're making intros, credits, or any on-screen text elements. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Davinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, you'll see your project interface. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice several tabs that represent different stages of your editing workflow. Click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll be working with your timeline and all your video elements. Now that you're in the Edit tab, shift your attention to the top of the screen. Click on Effects, which opens up a library of various visual elements you can add to your project. From the Effects menu, click on Titles. This section houses all the title templates and text options available in Davinci Resolve, giving you a wide range of styles to choose from. You'll now see different categories of titles displayed. Browse through the options and choose what kind of title you want for your project. For example, let's use Center Reveal, which you'll find under Fusion titles. Fusion titles offer more advanced animation and customization options compared to basic text overlays. Once you've located Center Reveal, click on it and drag it onto your timeline where you want the title to appear. This places the title template directly into your video sequence. Now comes the fun part, editing the titles to match your vision. Click on the title you just added to your timeline to select it. Then on the upper right side of your screen, click on Inspector. The Inspector panel is your control center for modifying properties of any selected element, and for titles, it opens up all the text editing options you'll need. Once the Inspector panel is open, you'll see a text field displayed prominently. This is where you can edit the actual text content. Simply click inside the field and type whatever you want your title to say. But that's just the beginning. Below the text field, you'll find extensive customization options. You can adjust the font to match your brand or style, change the format for different text effects, modify the color to fit your video's aesthetic, increase or decrease the size to make your text more prominent or subtle, fine-tune the tracking to adjust spacing between individual letters, control the line spacing if you have multiple lines of text, and much more. These controls give you complete creative freedom over how your titles look and feel. Take your time experimenting with these settings until you achieve the exact look you're going for. The changes you make will be reflected in real time on your preview window, so you can see exactly how your title will appear in the final video. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized titles in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.